waiting anymore. You've had your say, now it's mine. Drop every point that's keeping score. Can't you see we're on the same side? Are you talking to me, or straight through me, or to someone else? Your father, or your mother, or your boyfriend, or the man I'd rather be. Strange how we say each other's names when we're speaking to ourselves. Change is for the clinically insane. I'll stay the same while locked in my own hell. Am I talking to you, or straight through you, or to someone else? My father, or stepmother, or ex-girlfriend, or the man I'd rather be. Strange how we say each other's names when we're speaking to ourselves.